remote workers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this remote job worldwide. Yes, I have this full remote company. You can work from anywhere. I have 3 companies that are hiring. Yes, we have this Lime is a company that is hiring. They have so many positions. Yes, if you go to your Google browse, type jobs.lever.co/lime, you will see Lime. So Lime, they have so many jobs position. But guys, I want to see the job of remote. So if you see here, it's remote. You can type remote and then you will see so many remote jobs. Okay, starting on this one, as you can see, they say engineering manager. Yes, is fully remote. Yes, engineering manager is fully remote. We have this principal software engineer connected device is fully remote as well. Yes, principal software engineer is fully remote. Security software engineer is fully remote as well. It's all about full-time job and you can work from anywhere. And then senior software engineer is fully remote. Okay, so software engineer as well, staff site reliability engineer, yes, remote. This one is not remote, you have to be hybrid. Yes, you can show up on the site, but this one is on site. Let's see, we have this one, senior general accountant is remote full-time. Yes, we have senior staff intern auditor is fully remote. All right, and then when you go to businesses and applications, we have this one as well for remote. Boomi developer. For operation, we have field support and mechanics. This one is on site. This one is on site. But when you continue, you can see global operation. Its city success program manager is fully remote. So if you go to this one as well, CX training analyst is fully remote. Let's see here. If you click to one of the job and type remote, you will find the job are remote. Okay, so they say Lime is the worldwide largest shared electric vehicle company on the mission of building future where transportation is shared, affordable, and carbon free. So their electric bikes and scooter have powered 400 million lives in 250 cities and 5 continents. As you can see, they are working worldwide. This is the company. The company name is Lime 100. Most of the influential company and first company brand that has matter. They have achieved fully profitable year in 2022, becoming the first in their industry to reach this milestone. So they are looking for CX training analysts passionate about producing smooth agent experience that are translated into memorable customer experience through effective onboarding. On this role, you will be on your own frontline resources with a goal of empowering the team to leverage each of the interaction as an opportunity to the content with the use, build the trust, and create an emotion connection. So this is what you will do: create content, guideline, framework, workflow, training material that can serve CX frontline, own and maintain Lime CX onboarding program. But guys, if you are not familiar with this kind of job, don't worry. As long as you believe in yourself, you will get full training. Okay? Yes, own and maintain internal knowledge based on frontline intern, advocate for excellent user experience and influence through it, manage the relationship with their PBO partner training and quality leads, collaborate across departmentary product, legal, and marketing to ensure upcoming changes are reflected in urgent resources. Guys, you have to have bachelor in business or related field or any MBA. They need to be at least MBA or bachelor degree in businesses, minimum of 3 years of experience in customer support operation, excellent documentation, organization and time management skills, prior experience implementing continuous improvement practice, data-driven approach, startup, Zendesk, and Google Suite experience. That will be their bonus. All right, so yes, that is plus. And this salary is paying up to 89,000 USD. But this salary, depending where you are, guys, you will just negotiate according to your location. Okay, remember this is remote job. All right, you can work from anywhere. Yes, they have so many jobs here. If you're looking for jobs, guys, remote, full remote, this is the good company that you can look for. Yes, take note and just visit this company every day and see if you can get the position that you are looking for. So moving on to the next company, we have Team Slim Lou is another company. They are hiring worldwide. This is how they write. Team Slim Lou, yes, is a company. They are hiring worldwide. They have this client success specialist remote. Okay, so you can work from anywhere. For this company, it's fully remote. So if you can see, it's about client success specialist one. Yes, they said a remote first organization work where you are comfortable. Yes, it's 100 employer funded health, dental and vision benefits for you and for your dependents. Yes, they have 4 weeks paid parental leave, life insurance, 401k with employer match. All right, they have so many benefits, guys, as you can see. And this is the job summary, so make sure you read well job summary and understand what they are looking for you to include in your resume. Are you a great listener and communicator interested in helping their client and partners succeed? Are you technically adept and able to help represent partners and company interested alike? So if you are able to assist their client, this is a good fit for you. All right, the client success specialist is frontline for supporting their client. You will be responsible for building and maintaining post-sales community services support relationship with their client and assisting them when they have questions or issues requiring solutions. That's what you will be doing, guys. And the duty or responsibility again will be on front handling of client and community support requests. All right, you will be receive technical inbound customer and partner requests and facilitate responses, all that. And the skills, so if you have like attention to details and quick learner, CRM expert in Salesforce. As you can see, they have all these guys. The education is to have at least bachelor in information technology or cyber security or equivalent, minimum of 3 years of experience in customer facing law or for a technical product or service. So this is the additional, is not a must. If you have all of these guys, it's additional. Know that your CV will take us advantage on it. Yes, guys, you have this other one, physical requirement, prolonged period of sitting, because you need to sit on your computer at least many hours by doing all those tasks. Say, location is remote. Okay, so guys, if you're interested, remember the name of the company is teamsroom.com. So teamsroom.com/careers. This is the name of the company. So moving on to the next job I have for you guys. We have this Revo CO. This is another company, Revo CO. They have jobs, guys. Okay, let me find for you. Go to this Revo CO about ours/careers. Yes, you can see they have current openings. Yes, it's not all of them are not remote, but guys, if you go to maybe type 2 customer service representative and try to see if it's remote, as you can see, they say it's remote serving, okay, by replacing the existing hardware remotely in seamless manner. So guys, the qualification about this job, let me go straight to the point about the qualification, the condition, okay, of working. This is the condition of working, the qualification, experience in working with customer, dialect, technical knowledge and experience working with computer, general understanding of IoT industry and smart device. You are genuinely passionate about delivering high quality customer experience. Also, bilingual is preferred but not a must. If they say bilingual, know that it's Spanish or English. Alright, so working condition, you can sit up to 8 hours shift. Internet access is a must because you will need to download speed of at least 10 Mbps. This is their requirement, must be asked to drive or travel by car or air on the transportation for business purposes. So guys, sometimes you will need to travel for your job. Yes guys, this is the job that I had for today. Remember, I have jobs from Lime. Yes, they have jobs, so many jobs guys from Live. Just visit their site and see if they have jobs that you are looking for. Also, the second company is teamslom.com and slash careers. You will find the jobs as well. Client Success Specialist 1. Again, the last company is RevoCO. Is another company have so many position recruiting remote. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Remember to share with your partners or your siblings, your friends who are looking for remote jobs, and let me to the next video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless. Thank you. Give me a like please. Thank you so much. Bye bye.